Today I'm gonna show you guys how to go from day makeup to night makeup without having to wipe it all away, and it starts right now. Hey guys, it's me, Heaven. How are you? Today is a little bit different. I've never done anything like this before on my channel. I'm gonna show you guys how I go from day makeup to night makeup without having to wash it all off and start from scratch. So if you're like me and you want to know a quick way to get from this to this, then keep on watching. We're starting today's video off a little bit differently. I've already highlighted and contoured, well, halfway anyways. I'm going to go ahead and blend all this out and then we can move forward. So let's get it.
Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love. Breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh wow, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has no home. This one
Alright, now I'm gonna set my lower and my lid in one quick, easy step using a fluffy blender. This is a really big blender, you guys. Like, it's really big. So let's just start.
want it, take it, fly away, soaring high above the clouds. Hear the voice, it's calling out. Oh, you want love. Crash and burn.
Alright, now I'm gonna use the same powder and a different brush, and I'm just going to lightly dust it all over my face to set all of those cream products. So.
Breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn.
Alright, now I'm baking while I apply eyeshadow for the daytime. So I did dive into my Morphe 35O palette, and this is a warm toned nude color. And I'm just going to use this as my transition shade, nothing crazy during the day, guys.
Pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can. Yes, you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love. Breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all.
Now, highlight, I'm going to dip into my Rosé palette by Bad Habit, and this shade is called Champagne.
Crash and burn. Oh wow, let it crash and burn. This This one for
And last but not least, some lip gloss. Now this is by Milani. It is in the shade Delight, and all of these smell so good. So a little bit of gloss.
keep on fighting, living, loving. Make your mind up. If you want it, take it, fly away, soaring high above the clouds.
So I've done hair and I switched earrings. Of course, I put my little black dress on. And now we can work on this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is deepen this contour right here. So I'm gonna go in with L'Oreal Infallible Pro Contour, and this is in the shade 813, which is light. And I'm just gonna stamp this where that contour line is, just to deepen it and make my bone feel like it's poked out more, if that makes sense, more defined.
Let the rest just crash and burn. Let the rest just crash and burn.
Alright, next, bronzer and blush. See how that looks? Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away.
Tying my whole face together. And then I'm going to take this rose blush with the same brush, dust it off. Even just, I do this because I barely like blush at all. So we're just going to
Let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change.
Alright, so I have applied setting powder to my baking areas, and now I'm going to dive back into the Morphe 35O palette and pick up the very center shade, which is a milk chocolatey brown color, and I'm going to apply this on the outer corners.
I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh wow, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels.
Now I picked up a dark chocolate shade with my M433 by Morphe, and I'm just going to stamp this in my outer V and then blend it in.
Better days. Pick your head up, keep on fighting, living, loving. Make your mind up. If you want it, take it, fly away, soaring high above the clouds. Hear the voices calling out. All you want love.
Alright, now I'm going to pick up a medium orange color from the 35O palette. It is this one right here, and I'm going to use this to blend out that harsh brown line on the outer corner.
Breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn.
So I'm going to tight line and do my waterline with Maybelline Eye Studio in Black is Black.
Just crash and burn. Face to face, I found my pain beneath
For the lower lash line, we're going to reverse all the steps and start with the darkest shade first, right below the lash line, and then work our way in colors.
I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can. Yes, you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding
So I'm going to be dipping into Milani's Amore Matte, and this is in the shade Pretty, which is a lovely pinky nude.
the one to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh wow, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has no home. This one for the one who live for hope. Changing better days. Pick your head up, keep on fighting, living, loving.
Alright, so instead of taking it back old school, I'm going to try a shade from this palette that I have never used before on this channel.
Away, soaring high above the clouds. Hear the voices calling out. Oh, you want love. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the
Alright guys, this is my final going out look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it as much as I have enjoyed this idea. If at any point during this video y'all had fun, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you like about my day to night routine. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you guys on the next one. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.